Morning guys, how's everyone? Hope you're all good. Just going to show you around the extension that we've done. So this was yesterday's progress. Got all the thermalights up to 5-6 foot, pretty much all the way around. See, so this morning's job is, you can see I've just started putting some sellotex up on the wall there. So we've got our sellotex up on the internal walls, which I'll show you in a second. Just want to give you an idea guys of the layout of this extension that we're doing. So over this area here we've got a toilet bathroom coming in here, so just a little shower, toilet, sink, and then this side's going to be a little walk-in wardrobe, and then this side is going to be the lounge. Basically guys, the customers are just future-proofing it, so when they get a little bit older, so they're thinking about going upstairs and stuff, so basically they're building this extension so, you know, if anything does happen, so if they get elderly and stuff like that and start struggling to get up the stairs, they can just live off the ground floor. They can turn this into their bedroom and they have their own suite walk-in wardrobe then guys, alright? If you come out here, I'll show you out here. So as you can see, we've got our trays in yesterday. So you always have, the tray comes up on the inside course and down onto the outside course guys. So when it's laid it's like that. If any water that comes down inside the cavity disperses off and out. Okay, and the same with this one. So you've got a 4-inch DPC here, which runs in line with where the bottom of the DPC tray will be, and that stops, prevents any damp coming up through the floor into the inside of the property guys. Obviously you don't want any damp coming inside. All we got to do then is we started backfilling some of the oversight yesterday. Just got this section to do now, but where those PVC doors are, we have got to just remove those old steps, and then we can get our joist through. We're going to put some 9x2s through, float it over to the side, sit onto this wall, and then we can brick this back up to suit. And then the doors, we've got some nice big 4 metre sliders going in guys. So there'll be 2 fixed panels, 2 sliders on the inside, and then over there we've got 1 door, stable door going over there, and a window going on this little wall. That's pretty much it guys. We've got our profile set up, as you can see, each end of the extension. So today I'll be running up the block work. It's so much easier guys if you have a profile. Basically I'll come over here and I'll show you guys. So if you spend your time getting it nice and level, so all you've got to do then is you just basically insert your blocks to suit this, and you know that's just perfectly level guys, and all you do then, we'll show you later, get some dolly blocks, run from line to line, and then just infill guys. Alright, so keep watching, keep up with the progress on this extension and any other content, which is all over our socials at the minute. So we've got Facebook, Instagram, obviously YouTube, we're doing stuff on LinkedIn and TikTok guys, alright? So make sure you like and subscribe this video for more content, and look after yourself guys.